Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make roller coupling in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to select file and select new and select part and select OK. Now go to right plane and select sketch. Now select line tools. Now draw the origin from origin. Select. Now give the dimension smart dimension. Now give the value this line 90. Okay. Now go to now I give the value is now go to make arc here. Select vertical line and horizontal and vertical and make arc and horizontal vertical. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. Now select this line dimension 100. Give the value here 10. Now this line and this line distance give the value 90. Okay. Now these are below 20. Okay. Now select. Now go to smart dimension and this line dimension below 10 and this line below 10. Okay. Now go to this are below 5. Okay. Now go to draw the center line and make center line. Now go to smart dimension, this line and this center line between below 40. Okay, select. Now go to feature and select revolve tools. Now here select from mid plane. Now give the value 180. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select plain white. Now go to chamfer. Now here select chamfer below 5. 5 or 7 as 0 is or 6. Okay. Now I am going to here select shaded. Now go to use materials. Now I am going to select materials rubber. Now here select rubber. Now go to edit materials rubber. Or you can use silicone as you wish. Silicone or rubber. Now make our job. Now go to isometric view. Now go to again isometric view. Now I am going to show how to save this product. Now go to file and select save as. Now go to desktop. Now go to select JPG. Now here select desktop and JPG. Name the job. I'm going to name this rubber. Sorry, silicon. Okay, save. Now go to again save the PDF. Save as. Now go to select here PDF. Now again name right silicon PDF. Save. If you need to change the dimension value next time, you can save this format. Save. SolidWorks part format save. If you want to change next time this job silicon. Okay, save. Okay, thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1 to 1. You can join anywhere in the world. Our offline class is small base. You can join our offline class. If you want to join both system, you can join online and offline. If you want to only off-day class, you can join Friday. You can join every Friday class practically, and after 1 or 2 days you can join online class. Our class join. If you want to join our class, you just contact our WhatsApp number 01916 553827. If we want to join from abroad, plus 88 01916 553827. Thanks all. Best of luck.